Today, man, we're gonna be looking at this down 2010 Dodge Charger. You feel me? No crank, no start issue. Don't really know what's going on with it. That's new, you know what I mean? So I put the key in here. Everything comes on. Fuel pump comes on, all that, and then nothing. See, I'm turning, nothing. I'm holding, nothing. I'm turning the switch on, nothing. Put it in neutral, nothing. So, what I'm gonna do, take the battery out, take the AutoZone, get the battery checked, and then I'm gonna check these fuses, and I'm gonna get back with you.